Ladies and gentlemen, right here we have Luna Terra. Okay, first of all, today we're 225% up. This thing is absolutely fucking volatile. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to the 4 hour, just the 4 minute time frame. Yeah, and as you can see, we have this price action right here, these low points. Now, I understand we're in this bullish structure, so I could give you a technical analysis on this, but I don't think that it's gonna make sense right now. Some people are saying, okay, it's gonna come back to $1. Like, why? Why wouldn't it be? Because like a lot of people this is not worth right now and a lot of people are just buying. I personally believe there's no value in it like right now whatsoever. Okay. um yeah, like you could easily have your own thoughts on all this shit, but I will not be investing in Luna Terra for right now. I could be wrong. Once again, do not like take my words for granted because I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not saying that I know absolutely fucking everything, right? All I'm saying is that I will not be looking for something like this right now. So yeah, Luna Terra is actually 200% up if you did manage to take out that low, like the all-time low right here that we had, or like where it actually was. Um, okay, so here we have it. If you did manage to take out this low and buy right here, you're absolutely fucking amazing, bro. Because look, if you buy like right there and sold at that high, you could have been up around like what 43,000% if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's absolutely fucking insane. So yeah, I will be keeping you updated. Have a wonderful day. Peace out and bye.